Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fitia app. You will go to settings as you see and you will enter. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Fitia and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.